Hey guys, welcome back to yet another tutorial. My name is Mami Abna. If today is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming through for me. In this video, we'll be doing this nice, easy crochet headband wig. And this is me showing you the products that I'll be needing for the tutorial. I'll list everything in the description, so make sure you check it out. First things first, I'm going to place my mesh cap on the mannequin, and this is me trying to adjust it and make it fit properly on the mannequin head. And then I'm going to use some push pins to help me make the wig caps stay in place on the mannequin head, because we don't want it to move whilst we are working. Next is to put our headband on our wig, and this is the type of headband that I'm using. Guys, by the way, this video was inspired by Yvonne Melda. I don't know if I mentioned your name right, but girl, you are so talented, you are so good. I was inspired to do this tutorial by her. I'll leave her channel handle to this particular video in the description. Guys, make sure you go check it out. So here I'm attaching my headband to my wig cap. This is not to make it move around whilst I'm crocheting, and also make the headband more steady on the head when I place it on my head. So I'm going to sew this all around, like all around the headband, and we are going to start crocheting our hair. Before we start crocheting, this is how the hair came in the pack. This is Kinky natural twist in 20 inches. I separated the hair and I took off the rubber band, and this is the length. Now with this video, we are going to divide it into 3 sections because we don't want our hair to be that long. So if you want it long, you can leave it like that and crochet, but I wanted mine short, so I cut the hair into 3 pieces, and that is what we are going to be using to crochet our hair. There you go. I have all my 3 sections done. Now we are going to start crochet. I'm going to take smaller sections like this, and then with the help of my crochet hook, I'm going to open my latch hook and then slide it through about 4 or 5 holes, because as you can see, my stocking cap came with a tiny holes. So if I'm going to crochet every single hole, then I bet you we wouldn't finish this tutorial, and it's going to take like more hair, which I don't want that. I placed my latch hook into about 4 to 5 holes, and then I attached my kinky hair and I crocheted it in. By doing crochet, I don't really have to explain it to you guys because I have a lot of tutorial on this channel on how to do crochet. But if this is your first time, don't worry, it's really simple. Watch how I'm doing it. I slide my latch hook through about 4 to 5 holes in the mesh cap, and then I attach my hair to it. I close the latch and then pull it through to make a single knot. This is a kinky hair. You don't have to make 3 or 4 knots. It won't move anywhere. Just 1 knot and you're good to go. At this point, because the holes were really tiny in this mesh cap, I had to switch crochet pins because that one wasn't really helping. So I switched to this smaller crochet pin and it was so perfect. So I'm going to crochet all the way to the top, and when I get to the front, I'll come back and tell you how to do that side as well. Make sure you watch to the end to see the final outcome. As you can see, I'm done with the back, and now we are starting with the front side. This is where we are going to make our band. I didn't stop or change the process or procedure by any means. I'm going to repeat the same process here. As you may see in the front, my mesh cap is quite different. This type of mesh cap is used to make crochet wig with invisible patterns, or if you want to make closure side, that is when you use this. But this is what I had lying around and that is what I used. You can use dome cap, you can use any other type of mesh cap for this tutorial. If you have this too, fine, because that is what I had and that is what I used. I'm going to crochet it to where the headband ends, and that is it. We are going to stop right there. And here we are all done with the wig, but we can't wear it now. We have to do some few works to it before we wear it. But this is how the wig turned out after I crocheted my kinky hair. I used just a pack of the kinky hair for this tutorial. Next step is to cut off the excess mesh around the headband, because you don't want to wear it and this thing will be hanging around your neck. Like, people will be asking, is something wrong with this girl? We are going to cut the excess net off before we wear the wig. And once that was done, this is how the wig, the inside of the wig, it's so neat and perfect. Next is to attach some clip-ins on the hair. This is to make the hair more secured on our head, so that in case the wind blow or someone touches our head, it won't fall. So I'm going to secure it with some clip-ins. Guys, if you watch my previous tutorial, I did make an announcement that I was going to do a giveaway with some wig caps. So all the wig caps that I'm going to do, about 3 of them, I'm going to give them out as giveaway, and this hair happens to be one of them. Yay! So make sure you watch the video, because you don't know when I'm going to announce the giveaway. You don't know when. Yeah, I'm super excited about this one. I also added more clippings to the back to make it more secured as well. I added about 2 clippings to the back. For demonstration purpose, once that was done, I'm going to place it on my head for you guys to see how it will look on you. In case you are lucky to win this wig cap, you will know how to wear it. I'm going to place my clippings at the back of my head, like push it in the back of my head, and then I'm going to push the hair forward and then do the same with the clippings that I placed at the bang area. And that's it. You can style it anyhow you want. You can make it fluffy, you can make it flat, anyhow you want. Girl, you can do it. And this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.